it could happen to you. Insure blocks, hurricane insurance. Nukes for kids. Have you ever wanted a nuke for your child? Well, now's the time to get some. Get a nuke before your parents find out. Yeah, because this business could be shut down for good. Because we're selling nukes to children. Bye now. Later. 60,000 years later. Now, back to the show. Well, David, I don't know why, but I feel like the uncovered virus could spread. Nah, David, don't worry. There is no way that virus could spread. Even if it could, there's no way it will. I mean, the following message is transmitted at the request of the Roblox County Emergency Management and the Red Cliff City Police Department. At approximately 9:23 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a criminal has gone rogue in the city, robbing the in-town bank. The bank, they have stolen approximately $216 billion, and they have robbed hundreds more banks in the past. If you're in Red Cliff City, make sure to lock all doors and windows and prepare for the worst. Also, carry a firearm on you just in case the worst happens. Because remember, it could happen to you. Thank you for your cooperation at this time. Well, doom. Who is that? Doom. Open up! What do you want? Let me in and put your hands up. How about no? Put your hands up. You wanna go? You wanna go, buddy? Crap. This gun... following message is transmitted at the request of the Roblox County Emergency Management Agency and the Robloxian Government Aerospace and the Robloxian Aerospace Defense Command. Approximately 1:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A nuclear warhead was detected 1.5 miles away. It was detected 14.5 miles away from Red Cliff City, moving west at 250,000 miles an hour. It will arrive in approximately 5 minutes, meaning you have only 5 minutes to seek shelter. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. It is too late to evacuate. Repeating, it is too late to evacuate. You have approximately 4.5 minutes left to evacuate, and time is ticking. When you seek shelter, make sure to have all essential supplies, including non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a battery-powered and hand-crank radio with extra batteries, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio, as well as to make sure that you seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Avoid windows. Keep as many walls between you and the outside world as possible. This nuclear warhead has the power of 27 Tsar Bomba, 270 Tsar Bombas, 14 million Fat Mans, and 26 million Little Boys. That's a lot of kilotons and megatons of TNT. Anywhere within a 1 million mile radius of Red Cliff City is going to get wiped. At this time, we're currently getting ready to send counter-strikes to the person or people behind this nuclear launch. Thank you for your time and cooperation. Okay. Kaboom! Well, luckily I evacuated in time. Time to head to destroy a city. "10,000 years, an infinite number of the amount of times I said an infinite number of times that I ever said any living or dead being or entity has thought of any number that could possibly be thought of." And all of that being multiplied and added in all of that time later. yes, we finally made it. Destroy a city, away from Redcliffe and any other county that could explode. Hopefully that warhead doesn't reach here. I'm probably gonna land off somewhere, I don't know. Sitting there, turning on the breath. So it'll run better. Ah, yes. Destroy a city. Time to debark. And get on the land. Alright, time to go inside a home. I love living here. You know what? I'm gonna take the brown car. This is my grandma's car. Ah, yes. My own personal transport. Or PT for short. Personal transport cruiser. Yay, my personal transport. My PTV, personal transport vehicle. Or PTC, personal transport cruiser. Oh, jeez. Alright. Oh boy, this car is going to crash at any minute. Bop! 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 Man, just driving through the city is amazing. We killed the criminal in Redcliffe City. Then we almost died to a nuclear warhead, but it hit the city, but we managed to get out of there and head here. Like geez. Oh, like my grandma lives at the yellow house over here. Oh yes, time to pull up to the house here. Where all of it started. I can't back up. Stupid truck is in the way. Time to pull in. Ah yes, my house. No, this isn't my house in real life, but obviously I don't want to dox myself, so you know. Where everything started. The yellow penis-shaped house. This house is amazing. Hold on, where's the living room, though? That's what I want to know in this place. And you know what? This was my extra house. This isn't my actual house. Because you know why? I don't even live here. I just, pulled in because I thought this was my house, but I'm guessing not. I mean, I may need to pull in from a different end. Oh yeah, this is definitely my house. I remember living here. You see that it resembles a penis. But we're not going to talk about that because that isn't... That's not any sort of kid-friendly thing to talk about. Open up door. I need to get out of the car. Come on. Open up. Thank you. Ah, yes. Or my dreams become dreams. I forgot I needed to use a crowbar to open the stupid door. Oh boy, this house is something else. Finally, I took the door down just to come in. Oh yeah, this definitely isn't my house. Okay, time to get in the car. Oh boy, I guess I live at the White House there. Oh yeah, that's my mom's old car. This is my car. It's a poop brown car, but that's fine. No one really cares at this point when I drive. Yes, it's time to exit the vehicle and enter the house, which has an old TV, an old crappy TV that nobody likes. You know what? I'm just gonna do the sit command. Sit. There we go. Sit. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Robloxian County Emergency Management Agency and the Everythingnadin government. They have sent the Robloxians a message. The message will play in 5 seconds. Hello there. Hello, my fellow Destroy-Cityans. I'd like to express some of my feelings here. I know that Roblox isn't in the best of conditions right now because Brookhaven and Redcliffe just got nuked, and Destroy City is also about to get nuked. I won't be coming there to get you, so you're gonna be on your own there. You're gonna have to go to the airport to go to Everythingland, because I'm not wasting my time on that, so good luck. It's pretty much imminent that a nuke is coming, so just evacuate, shelter if you want. That you got to evacuate though. We do not have enough time to shelter. You have 25 minutes to evacuate. Oh crap. Alright, Mom. I'll see you later. Oh wait, I forgot she's dead, and I forgot about that pizza on the roof. That's how you know it's my house. Okay, we gotta go all the way to the other side of the city and get to the airport before this nuke lands. And Kitty Man's not coming to get us, so we're on our own. I'm gonna hope to get on the plane without blowing it up, so that way I don't die. Okay. Alright. Luckily this car can go like 100 miles an hour. Oh, I missed my turn. Okay, it's time to turn. The message is not repeating because I'm the only one actually living here. Okay. I don't care what airline. I gotta go. I don't care. Guys, watch out. I'm on my way to Everythingland, baby. Oh, baby, a triple. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I missed the door by a long shot. Okay. Oh, yes. I'm on the plane now. Okay, it's time to get out of here. Okay, start going up. Cause this is not good. This is not good at all. Bye city. Bye world. Just start going straight up. This plane is going to Everythingland, baby. Enjoy the ride, cause no other person's gonna be able to get us. I think we could start pooling G's and just head over to Everythingland, cause eventually we're going to the moon, so, you know. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, I hope you enjoy Robloxian Airlines' last flight. And the flight itself going to Everythingland, because everything else has been evacuated, so yeah. It looks like our plane is experiencing some issues with